Hello, today I want to review another train, Playtive. It's a very special train because it's USB charge, so you no need batteries. It's mini USB. It is very rare set, very hard to get. I buy 2 years ago and I don't see any right now. But looks very great. This express on-off button, rubber wheels, moving couplings, forward, very nice LED lights, stop, reverse with good sound. The sound stops after a few seconds. Wagon's very nice. Couplings as always strong. Last time I charged this train about 6 months ago, so I don't know how much energy have. Time for test. Very good. It's heavy, so we have a very good traction. It's very good train. One of the best. Very good value for the money as well. I think you can buy Brio as well, USB locomotive. But it's much more expensive. If you can get one of these, that could be great. Very nice. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.